What's the meaning of canopy? Canopy. Canopy.
Canopy. Canopy. A canopy is an overhead structure or covering that provides shade or shelter for people, animals or objects below. It can be made from various materials such as fabric, metal, or wood and can be installed indoors or outdoors. Canopies are often used for outdoor events like weddings, festivals, and markets. They can also be found in parks, playgrounds, and on sidewalks providing shelter from the sun or rain. In summary, a canopy is a protective covering that creates a shaded area for people, animals, or things.